delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some spicy mushroom shrimp noodles. Alright? And to make this, you're going to need some shrimp, which I have, some roasted red peppers, a jalapeno, some green onions, and some portabella mushrooms. Now, I have the baby ones. Alright? You can see the baby ones right here. So I'm going to show you how to clean them. We're going to chop up everything, including our roasted red peppers. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so let's start by chopping up our veggies. First thing first, we're going to get rid of these ends. I gotta use those. I'm just gonna chop these up. I'll save some for garnish, and the rest we're gonna put in our dish. So you're gonna chop these up just like so. We're gonna chop up the whites as well. That's where all that good onion flavor comes from, guys. These are milder than your actual onion. Alright, so we don't need this part anymore, so let's get rid of this. Transfer those to a plate. Jalapeno. Alright. Now, if you like it extra spicy, you leave the ribs and the seeds in. Since we're not doing that, we're going to take those out. Alright? Now, if you don't have, you use whatever type of pepper you have on hand for this. You can also use some crushed red peppers. About 3 tablespoons will do you. Alright. I'm just going to go in and just chop these up. Going to be amazing. Now, you don't want it too spicy, just only do half, not the whole thing. Okay? Remember to wash your hands right after you cut these, because you might touch your face, touch your eyes, and burn your face. Just like so. Try some of these over here. We'll start on our mushrooms. You want white. Nice good white. Try to clean as much dirt as you can off. Portabella mushroom has a nice beefy flavor, which pairs real well with shrimp. Now, just make sure you clean them real well with a damp cloth. You can't rinse these off. They're like a sponge. They will soak up all the water, and then when it gets cooking, it will release all that water into your pan. Alright, so just make sure you just wipe them really good. So I'm just going to use this whole container, this whole pint. Mushrooms. like these ends, we're going to cut those off. Just like so. If you're not a fan of mushrooms, you can leave them out. Anything you're not a fan of, you can substitute. If you're allergic to the shrimp or you just don't like it, you can substitute with chicken or maybe some beef. It would be delicious as well in here. I would suggest that you get like a steak and then thinly slice it to go with this dish. The choice is yours. You can make it just like I'm doing, or you can substitute with some stuff. Be amazing either way. Make it your own. Watching my channel long enough, you already know. I like to say, make it your own. The choice is yours. Substitute. Anything that I bake in here you don't like, leave it out. You don't have to put it in. Not that serious. I have some water boiling on the back with my angel hair pasta. And if you want a thicker noodle, you can use regular spaghetti or whatever type of noodle you want. My husband is not a fan of mushrooms, so I'm going to be doing this in batches without mushrooms. Now you can just leave it vegetarian and do not add any meat at all. That would be great. It would be delicious as well. And we have our roasted red pepper. Of these like so. We're just gonna give them a rough chop. Just like that. That's all you need is 2 from the jar. And we're done with this. Now we're gonna move over and get the cooking on the stove. Alright guys, so let's start to build that sauce. I have some olive oil now in our pan. And we're gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Go right down in there. Get all nice and melty for us. And you want that butter flavor in there. That butter melt all the way down. Now we're going to go in with a pound of shrimp. That's been peeled, deveined, and tail off. we coming in with that Shelly's house seasoning. And just get that down in there. This way. So when these shrimp cook up, I'll be back to show you what to do next. Alright guys, so now it's time to remove this and move to the next stage. The shrimp is done. We're going to get them out so they can stop cooking. I'll put all that flavor at the bottom. It's going to be amazing sauce. Alright. Let's just add these mushrooms, because they take longer to cook. Get these mushrooms down. I'm trying to get them all out of the pan, off the plate and into the pan. And let them go. And we're going to add some Shelly's house seasoning on that as well. And just let them go and come back. We're just going to let these cook, and when we come back we're going to move to the next thing. Alright guys, so now we're taking out our mushrooms. As I stated before, I had to do it in stages because my husband does not eat mushrooms. I remove them. Alright, so now we're going to go in with our onion, our scallions and jalapeno mixture, along with my roasted peppers. My garlic. That was about 2 tablespoons of garlic. We want that garlic flavor to shine through. All that in there. Now we're going to go in with some chicken broth. Not too much. About a cup of chicken broth. And we're just going to let this cook down just a little bit. And when we come back, we're going to add those noodles. Alright, so now we're going to hit it with our angel hair pasta. We're going to throw our shrimp back in. All those juices and everything from there. You just want to coat it. You just want to coat it all. Look at the colors in here. This is beautiful, guys. Oh my goodness. Just imagine the flavor. It's coming from that garlic, those peppers, the scallion, all of that. Everything. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright. When we come back, we're going to add those mushrooms. Just going to remove some of this for my husband. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with those mushrooms. That's when we're going to add a beefy flavor. We use portabellas. Look at this. You can use button mushrooms, shiitake, whatever you want. You can mix the mushrooms if you like. This looks amazing, guys. Alright, so meet me back at the counter. We're going to plate this baby up and have us a feast. Alright, guys. So we are the bittersweet, and don't forget that all ingredients are in the description box. And while you're down there, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So now we're just going to give these beautiful noodles a try. Like I said, you can add, if you want it hotter, leave the seeds in and add some crushed red peppers. Mmm. That was really good. Mushroom. Shrimp. Mmm. Outstanding. Mmm. Some mic drop stuff right here. Look at that. Mm. You can add cheese if you want to. You want to add some parm on top. You could. That would be great. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.